Please do not adjust your sets. It's supposed to be this colour. This is the Australian Red Ensign, and while it looks exactly like the national flag of Australia, except the main body colour, it's now used in a separate flag alongside this. And when I say now, well, that's part of its story. In 1901, the Commonwealth Government ran a competition to design two flags for Australia, one for the official and naval purposes, and the other for merchant ships. This resulted in these red and blue ensign flags. In the early years, the Red Ensign went through a couple of subtle changes with the stars on the Southern Cross and the Commonwealth Star. But regardless of the changes, for the first half of the 20th century, there was some confusion about what colour flag meant what. The government buildings flew a blue version while private residents and ships used the red. That all changed with the 1953 Flag Act that proclaimed the blue version as the national flag and red to be used by Australian registered merchant ships. This resulted in the 3rd of September being both the Australia National Flag Day as well as the Merchant Navy Day. The taken second place to the national flag, Australia Red Ensign.